Hey peeps, I got this Fisher Studio Standard from the 1990s. Then they're gonna have another one over here from 1980s. But something's wrong with the volume knob. It's totally dirty. Dirty. Look how small it is too. For these, look how it's. There's not a whole lot in here, and this is ridiculously oversized. These caps are totally necessary for that. But there's a little hole right there. I'm gonna spray some of this spray into. There it is. It doesn't matter if for a car or not. It'll be very safe on the electronics. Let me line up. And onto the board it went. That's not cool. I didn't expect that to happen. It's alright, it'll dry. Very quickly it should. So there was that hole. Barely see it. I think that's where it used to spray into. Because there's not much on here to do with. Normally these things are like 3 times the size and they're going like over here. But 1990s, I guess. It's so simplistic, but what is up with this monster transformer? When you pick this thing up, it's like it goes to one side. You're actually going to drop it. But everything else is very clean. Somebody spilled something in here before, but the whole stereo works. So I guess I can't hurt it too much, right? Oh, it already dried. So I spilled to try it out. So I can make another video, get back on this Class A2, whatever the hell that means. Why doesn't it focus anymore? I have to get the GoPro out again. Camera phones, huh?